what is the essence of a sales call? In other words, the essence of how the prospect is experiencing the sales call that makes a sale. The essence is uncomfortable truth. This like, shit, like, yeah, my situation sucks and it's my fault. And like we're not trying to make someone feel bad for the sake of making them feel bad, but if they feel good about it, they're not going to buy.
Right.
So like if we reverse engineer to like the essence of like how does someone need to be showing up when I'm asking my questions, or how do they need to be reacting or responding to my questions in their essence to make a sale? There needs to be this, I'll exaggerate a little bit, but this like guilt and shame feeling on their end. Like they need to feel guilty. They need to feel shameful. They need to feel like they're fucking living way below their potential. And there should be a feeling of, what do they call it? Confessional. It should have this like sentiment of like confession. The way he said that, the fact that you hadn't even finished the last word of your opening question and he already jumped in, and the way I felt him saying it was almost this like weird pride about it. The words weren't displaying pride. Oh yeah, it's like, I just don't really have the guts to call people. It was like, you should be saying this to me like, yeah, the thing is, Ben, like, essence wasn't the essence that it needed to be. And I'm always, always, always going to have one modus operandi on a sales call: align to truth, align back to truth. Do they want to stay on that line? I don't know. Maybe they do, maybe they don't. If they don't, that's cool. I'll get off the call. But my job is to always bring us back to what's true. And what the guy just demonstrated was not the truth. Or if that is his idea of the truth, it's not the idea of the truth that would make this sales call worth going any further. Does this make sense? How many deals have you already lost this week that you could have closed but didn't because you were out of state? I'm not a fan of sales hacks, but if there was one thing you could do before your next sales call to raise your closing percentage, it's using my patented pre-call checklist. Imagine taking just 60 seconds to read 5 to 7 personalized bullet points on a piece of paper, and as unbelievable as it may sound, puts you into the optimal state to access your highest sales skills on every call. That's the pre-call checklist. I'm going to show you how to create your own. All you need is a piece of paper and to go through the training that I'm going to give you. Thousands of salespeople have used this framework to close more deals, and you can have your own for free. No strings attached, in a matter of minutes. Click the link below this video, enter your email, and grab it right now.